how to safely freeze your Transunion credit. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can safely freeze your Transunion credit. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Transunion website on your laptop or PC. After that, click on member login. Under already a member, you will see a button for login. Click on login. Now log in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, you will see an option for credit freeze. Click on credit freeze. On this page, you will see a button for add freeze. Click on add freeze. First, you need to set up a PIN. On the first field, enter the PIN you wish to use. Then enter it again on the second field to confirm. After entering, click on continue. Now, just follow the on-screen instructions and prompts to fully freeze your credit. So that's how you can safely freeze your Transunion credit. That's all for this video.